Welcome to the foundation of Power by Mastery. In this scene, we dive into the essential first step, preparing your data. Whether you're connecting to SQL databases, Excel spreadsheets, web sources, or cloud platforms, data acquisition is crucial. But it doesn't stop there. Cleaning your data is equally important. You'll learn how to handle null values, change data types, and remove outliers to ensure your dataset is reliable. Transformation techniques like pivoting, unpivoting, merging, and appending queries are covered, giving you the flexibility to shape your data for analysis. Mastering these skills sets the stage for every successful Power BI report, making your data ready for modeling and visualization. Once your data is prepared, the next step is modeling. A robust data model is the backbone of accurate reporting and high performance in Power BI. In this scene, we explore relationship design, including creating star schemas, managing one-to-many cardinality, and setting filter directions. DAX mastery is a must. Learn to build calculated measures and columns using powerful functions like calculate, SUMX, and time intelligence. Optimization techniques are also key, helping you reduce model size and improve calculation speed. By mastering data modeling, you ensure your reports are not only accurate but also efficient and scalable for any business scenario. The solid data model, it's time to turn numbers into insights. Visualization and analysis are where your Power BI skills shine. Learn to choose the right visuals, such as decomposition trees and scatter plots, to tell compelling stories. Interactivity is vital. Implement slicers, bookmarks, and drill-through capabilities to empower users to explore data dynamically. Advanced analytics, including AI visuals and trend identification, elevate your reports and provide deeper insight. This scene shows how to make your reports not just informative, but engaging and actionable for decision makers. Final step is deploying and maintaining your Power BI assets. This scene covers workspace management, including handling apps, workspaces, and promoting content within the Power BI service environment. Security is paramount. Implement role-level security (RLS) for role-based data access. Governance tasks like scheduled refreshes via gateways and dataset certification ensure your reports stay current and trustworthy. Expert tip: focus on DAX troubleshooting and RLS configuration, as these are common challenges for exam candidates. By mastering deployment and maintenance, you deliver secure, reliable, and professional Power BI solutions.